Good morning, my dear students. This is Shivani Kumari here, your teacher of English, and I will just continue the chapter 2 in this video also. Okay, so I will start from the question number A from the page number 21. Okay, I have given you the hard words of this chapter, and today I will solve the important exercises of this chapter. So, in the question number A, we have question number A, and in this A we have write true or false. Okay, you guys already know the story, so you can identify the answer as on your own. Okay, write true or false. And in the first chapter I have already told you the meaning of this heading. Okay, what is the meaning of true or false? Number 1, Lisa loves flowers. Lisa loves flowers. This is our first sentence. Second, Lisa goes to the park with a bag. Number 3, Lisa is happy to see the flowers. Lisa is happy to see the flowers turn brown. Number 4, the fairy is sad the fairy is sad. Number 5, Lisa plucks the flowers. Lisa plucks the flowers because she does not like them. Number 6, I think this is the last question of this, true or false. Number 6, Lisa wants the flowers. Lisa wants the flowers to live and grow. Okay, so, and I think this is the last one, yes. So is in this number A, question number A, we have write true or false, and I have told you the meaning of this heading in the first chapter, so that's why I'm not going to say what is the meaning of true or false. Okay, so let's get started on the first sentence, which is Lisa loves flowers. Lisa को फूल पसंद थे. Lisa को फूलों से प्यार था. Yes, this is true. So I will write T here for true. ओके, ट्रू मीन्स सही. हाँ, ये बात सही है, ये सेंटेंस सही है. लीजा लव्स फ्लावर्स. लीजा को फूलों से प्यार था. सेकेंड सेंटेंस, लीजा गोज टू द पार्क विथ अ बैग. लीजा पार्क में बैग के साथ जाती है. नो. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस? एफ, फॉल्स. लीजा पार्क में बैग के साथ नहीं. आई थिंक समथिंग, sorry, let me see, I forgot. With a basket. वो एक दिन गार्डन अपने बैग के साथ नहीं बल्कि टोकरी के साथ जाती है फूलों को इकट्ठा करने के लिए. So this is the wrong sentence here. That's why I I have written the F in front of this sentence. Lisa, 3 number. Lisa is happy to see the flowers turn brown. लीजा क्या खुश थी जब उसने देखा कि जो फ्लावर्स है वो ब्राउन में टर्न हो गए हैं? नो, शी वॉज वेरी सैड. सो वॉट वी हैव टू राइट हेयर? एफ. ये सेंटेंस रॉन्ग है. वो खुश नहीं, वो काफ़ी उदास थी. नंबर 4. द फेरी इज सैड. वहाँ पे जो फेरी थी क्या वो भी दुखी थी? यस, वो भी दुखी थी जब फूल सारे वो पार्क के क्या हो गए थे? ब्राउन में टर्न हो गए थे इस चीज़ को देख के. नंबर 5. लीजा प्लग्स द फ्लावर्स बिकॉज शी डजंट लाइक देम. लीजा फ्लावर्स को यानी फूलों को इसलिए तोड़ती थी क्योंकि उसे फूल नहीं पसंद थे. नो, दिस इज द रॉन्ग सेंटेंस. लीजा लव्स फ्लावर्स दैट्स वाई शी प्लग्स देम. वो उसे फूल काफ़ी पसंद थे इसलिए वो फूलों को तोड़ती थी अपने पास रखने के लिए. So this is the wrong sentence, so I will write F here. Number 6. Lija wants the flowers to live and grow. Yes, in the last of this story, she learned the lesson and she said, or she just remind herself that I don't want to pluck flowers from now and I want them to grow and I want them to live. That's why she doesn't do that anymore and grow. Yeah, this is the true sentence. In the last of this story, Lisa also wants this because she knows that what she was doing at the entire of this time was totally wrong and she wants to change now herself. So she wants the flowers to live and grow. अब वो फूलों को, उसे फूल तो अभी भी पसंद है बट अब उन्हें तोड़ने की बजाय उन्हें वो छोड़ देती थी बढ़ने के लिए, जीने के लिए. So this is the 6th number from this page number 21. And now we have in the number B, read these sentences and answer the questions. Okay. I will repeat the right, true or false once again. Okay, in this video. First one is Lija loves flowers. Yes, true. Number 2, Lija goes to the park with her bag. False. Lisa is happy to see the flowers turn brown. False. The fairy is sad. True. 5. Lisa plucks the flowers because she does not like them. False. Number 6. Lisa wants the flowers to live and grow. True. This is okay. Now we have read these sentences and answer the question. So in this chapter 2, I have explained or discussed about the story and I have also given you the hard words. I have solved the true false and now I will solve the question number B. And in this B we have okay, read these sentences and answer the questions. If I can't continue this question number in this video, so I will continue this question number in next video. Okay, so this is the heading. And answer the questions. Okay, read these sentences and answer the questions. So the first question is, so what is the meaning of this heading? Read the sentences. Read means पढ़ना. These ये sentences मतलब वाक्य को. इन वाक्यों को पढ़ें एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन. पहले हमारे पास एक सेंटेंस होगा, हमें उसे पढ़ना है एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट सेंटेंस वी हैव टू आंसर द क्वेश्चन. जस्ट उसके बाद पास में नीचे में हमारे पास यहाँ पे कुछ क्वेश्चन है और सेंटेंस के अकॉर्डिंग हमें बस वहाँ पे दिए हुए क्वेश्चनों के आंसर देने हैं. ओके, नंबर 1, वाई आर यू क्राइंग? Why are you crying, little girl? Number A. Who asked this question? Who asked this question? And number B is who was crying. So the first sentence is, read this why are you crying, little girl? So the students, I have not enough time to do this exercise in this video, so I will continue this exercise in the next video. Okay, so I'm sorry for that, and that is enough for today's video. Till then, take care and be safe at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.